Hello everyone. Today we are back with another cooking video. I'm bored during quarantine. It's 6:53 right now and I want a bagel. So we're making a bagel. First up, we're gonna need bagels. We got Jello. Okay, we got bagels. And then, where's the cream cheese? Oh, I found it! Bagel. From Kirkland, Costco. First up, we're gonna open these. Bagel. I'm not so good at cutting stuff, so I cut it. We have two sides now. Now, I need to cut it in the middle. This is not gonna work. Ow! I can't do this. Yo, I did it! Yo! Let's go! Just saying, I don't have any... I don't have any experience professionally cutting bagels. I did it. I'm gonna save that knife for later. We're gonna open up the cream cheese. We have no more cream cheese left, so I'm gonna get another one. My cream cheese has a bunch of yellow stuff in it. I don't know if that's supposed to be there. And you're gonna take the cream cheese. Take some cream cheese. Oh, no! No! I realized! I'm supposed to toast the bagel! Next up, we're gonna take this toaster right here. Toaster. So it's on now. So you're gonna take your bagel. Put it in. Alright, don't do this at home. I was trying to make sure that the toaster was on. It's obviously on right now, but I put it in. I want to blow bubbles. It's ready. Next up, we got toaster. Is it still toasting? How do I take this out? Okay, I don't know if this is a good idea. We got it out. And we burned it. So that's one. Carefully take your cream cheese and spread it. Spread it on that bagel. These are our results. Beautiful specimen of bagel, bread, and cream cheese. Next, you want to take your top parts, obviously not burnt, put it on. There. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get some whipped cream. I'm gonna put the whipped cream on the bagel. I'm gonna probably get diarrhea, but that's okay. Alright, I think that's enough whipped cream. And if you get thirsty, try some milk. Son, I'm back with the milk. I'm back. Pour some milk in that.
That shit like a fucking minute.
So that's the end. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.